All right, I'm doing a video for Math Models Unit 9, Lesson 7. Um, this is a video, this lesson is about direct variation. Direct variation can be represented by two formulas. One is, scroll down here, y equals kx, where k is some constant term. So every time you put a number for x, it's going to be times that number to get y. Or you can set it up as k equals y divided by x. So we're going to use both of these throughout this lesson. So we'll kind of talk through how that works. So we are asked questions in the following ways. I'll let you do the vocab one right there. If y varies directly as x and x equals 6 when y equals 12, what will y be when x equals 24? So this is a lot of these are going to be kind of common sense in a lot of ways. What you need to understand is that you're looking at this equation right here as telling us what k equals. So we're gonna find what k equals, and then we're gonna use k to find the other numbers. So for instance, k equals y over x. So let's do that. So k equals 12 over 6. So 12 over 6, so that's 2. You probably could have figured that out without needing to do the whole thing. But 2 is our k value. And that's how we're going to solve here. Because according to the way it works, we are going to have k times x to get y. So if 6 times 2 equals 12, then 24 times 2 is 48. So that's pretty much how it works. So let's look at this next one, for instance. We're going to do k equals y over x, which in this case is 3 over 2. So there's really nothing to reduce there or simplify. So we know we're going to multiply 3 over 2 times 10. Let's jump over here to Desmos. We're going to do 10 times 3 over 2. And we get 15. And so that's how we know that the answer to this problem is 15. So that's how you're doing number 4. Number 5 is a little bit different. Again, they want us to find the constant of proportionality. So you already have the formula for this. It's what we did in the previous problem, which is why I had to set them up that way. It's k equal y over x. So you're going to do y divided by x. In this case, 4 divided by 3 gives me k. So it's 4/3. You can't reduce that. Again, same thing here. Y divided by x. Y divided by x. Okay, now we have these kind of disguised as word problems. Chad can travel 330 miles in 6 hours. How far can he travel in 8 hours? So we'll find the constant of proportionality, and we're going to do that by doing 330 divided by 6. That's y over x. So 55, which actually, it's better if you answer the second problem first, because 6 hours, 330 miles is going to be 55 miles per hour. So there it is. And so 55 miles per hour means that times 8 will be how far he goes in 8 hours. So we do 55 times 8, and it tells me he will travel 440 miles in 8 hours. Let's find that one. Yes. Okay. So the rest of these are pretty much like that. In fact, 9 and 10 are both exactly the same concept. Find the miles per hour, put that here, multiply that times the hours to get the answer for this. And then you're done with that one.